Here are two answering and ending call gesture settings that can be found on the phone app for your Infinix Hot 30 phone. You want to make sure you're using this phone dialer app, the one that your Infinix Hot 30 came with. And as you go into it here, you will see the settings right up here to the top right. Tap on that one time. This will take you to these settings options here and go to where it says advanced settings, this one right there. Once you're in the advanced settings area here, you will see a different set of call answering and ending call options. Go down to where it says intelligent gesture right there. And then you'll see answer calls with gesture. So go to it. And you want to go ahead now and turn it on. And as you turn it on, basically, if you have an incoming call, you can answer it by throwing up a sort of peace sign facing straight forward to that phone. And if you want to decline a call, let's say there's an incoming call here, you go ahead and open up your palm like that there, and that's going to reject the call. So if these two settings are helpful and useful, or you want to actually disable them, this is where you would go to do that. Like and sub.